Hey guys, Coach Mike here from CrossFit Psycho. I want to talk to you guys today a little bit about the burpee and in a broader sense how the burpee represents the same two positions that we end up seeing in all gymnastics movements. So what I'm going to do is relate the burpee with how we load up and execute toe to bar and kips and things like that. So one of the things I want you to look at with the burpee, right? So we know the burpee. We come all the way down, we come up, and we're here. So a lot of the times the way that we like to teach it is when we're down here, we kind of do a bad push-up where we snake up a little bit, right? And then we unload. So a little thing for you guys to try while you're watching this, actually do it so you can feel the difference, is let's just get in this push-up position, right? And we're gonna jump feet to hands. Do that a couple times and just feel and notice what kind of power you have. Then what I want you to do, right, is to get in this hip down position and do the same thing. You might even be able to tell on camera how much more explosive that last piece was. Because look what's happening. We're creating tension, right, which is stored energy for us to then use to unload. What does that look a lot like? The Superman position, correct? Right, so when we're in the Superman, we load, and then when we go to do like a toe to bar, we unload into this hollow body position. So one of the biggest techniques that I have to coach our athletes in when they're doing toe to bar is a lot of us are not getting through all the way. So we're not creating that tension, creating that load to then go and unload. So let's take that to the bar, right? So properly, I'm gonna store here, unload. Store here, unload. There's a lot of power there. However, if I'm just starting here and I'm not really getting through, right, that's a lot harder. You can start to see me swinging. So when it comes down to gymnastics, just think of those two shapes. How do I load in that Superman position and then unload? That'll help you with burpees, that'll help you with toe to bars, that'll help you with muscle ups, pull ups, etc.